How many brothers and sisters do you have? How many brothers and sisters do you have? I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. Who do you love most in your family? Who do you love most in your family? I love my mother. I love my mother. Who is your best friend? Who is your best friend? John is my best friend. John is my best friend. Why do you like him? Why do you like him? He is very good. He is very good. What do you like to wear? What do you like to wear? I like to wear trousers and shirts. I like to wear trousers and shirts.